On 29 November 2025, the skies above Türkiye witnessed a quiet but powerful shift in the future of unmanned warfare. Baykar, the company behind many of the world's most influential combat drones, carried out a demonstration that may soon redefine aerial tactics. Their Bayraktar Kalkan VTOL UAV, a compact but highly versatile vertical takeoff and landing platform, successfully deployed a Skydagger FPV drone mid-flight. In a world racing toward new forms of drone-on-drone warfare, this moment marked far more than a technical achievement. It signaled that the next phase of combat evolution has already begun. As reported officially by Baykar, the test unfolded with a precision that reflected years of accumulated battlefield lessons from Ukraine, the South Caucasus, the Middle East, and Africa. Militaries everywhere are experimenting with new combinations of unmanned systems, large drones launching smaller drones, persistent platforms carrying rapid attack effectors, and long-endurance aircraft acting as airborne dispensers of compact munitions. Türkiye has now stepped firmly into that domain. With this single demonstration, the Kalcon VTOL transformed from a simple tactical UAV into a flying command node capable of influencing the battlefield far beyond its own range. The Bayraktar Kalkan is a remarkable platform in its own right, a derivative of Baykar's DİHA mini-tactical UAV family. It carries a 5-meter wingspan, a compact fuselage of just over 1.5 meters, and a hybrid propulsion system that mixes 4 electric lift motors with a gasoline cruise engine. This gives it the rare ability to take off vertically like a multi-rotor, then transition smoothly into efficient fixed-wing flight. It requires no runway, no catapult, and no elaborate ground equipment, just a 20 by 20 meter clearing. Despite its compact size, this aircraft integrates a powerful mission suite. Stabilized EO/IR turrets, laser rangefinders, laser designators, real-time intelligence payloads, and a medium tactical endurance that has recently pushed beyond 8 hours of flight at altitudes above 14,000 feet. Its line-of-sight data link, depending on antenna configuration, stretches from 70 to more than 100 kilometers. For small tactical units operating on the front lines, Kalkan is not just a drone, it is a persistent eye in the sky, a scout that never fatigues, and now a launch platform for airborne precision effects. During the recent air launch campaign, Kalcon carried the Skydagger 7, a compact FPV Kamikaze drone that has gained attention for its simplicity, agility, and surprising punch. Baykar executed 2 distinct release profiles. In the first, the FPV performed a clean separation, stabilized, and transitioned into controlled flight before landing safely. In the second, the drone dropped away, locked onto a ground target, and dived with lethal intent, illustrating that Kalcon can release FPVs not only safely, but also directly into attack trajectories. That single maneuver demonstrated a powerful truth. A long-endurance VTOL drone can deliver short-range munitions deep inside the battle space while staying far beyond the reach of enemy air defenses. The importance of this cannot be overstated. FPV drones, now a dominant force in asymmetric warfare, are usually limited by battery life, range, and the vulnerability of their ground operators. Launching them from the air changes everything. A fixed-wing VTOL like Kalkan can loiter for hours at altitude, closing the distance to enemy positions while maintaining complete safety for the operator. An airdropped FPV no longer wastes half its battery reaching the target. It begins its attack with full power, from an elevated launch angle with reduced exposure to electronic warfare. It can strike from unexpected vectors, bypass terrain masking, and challenge defensive assumptions built around ground launch threats. Even for reconnaissance, this method enables discrete insertion of small sensors into contested zones without revealing the operator's location. This demonstration also highlighted the deepening partnership between Baykar and Skydagger drones, a company quickly gaining international attention. Skydagger's FPV family, available in 7, 10, and 15-inch classes, offers payloads from 2 to 5 kilograms, combat endurance around 12 to 20 minutes, ranges near 10 kilometers, and attack speeds exceeding 120 to 140 kilometers per hour. The company's drones have already entered formal procurement cycles, including a landmark 2024 contract with Kosovo that resulted in thousands of systems delivered by October 2025. Their integration alongside Bayraktar TB2s and Puma UAVs created a layered unmanned strike architecture for a small but increasingly modernizing military. Now, with Kalcon acting as an airborne carrier, that architecture becomes even more flexible, more lethal, and more connected. This concept, larger drones launching smaller ones, is not new in theory, but seeing it integrated into serial platforms like Kalcon demonstrates how quickly Turkey's unmanned ecosystem is evolving. The global trend is clear. Militaries are shifting toward distributed, layered, and expendable systems, where cost-effective drones complement high-end fighters and manned aircraft. A single mothership UAV releasing multiple FPVs could saturate defenses, confuse radar operators, and deliver precision effects at a fraction of the traditional strikes. This is particularly relevant in regions where electronic warfare is dense, threats are highly mobile, and airspace is heavily contested. For Türkiye, the successful test represents more than just technological progress. It showcases a defense industry that has matured into a global influencer, one whose innovations ripple across geopolitical zones from the Balkans to the Middle East and North Africa. In a world where unmanned systems increasingly dictate the tempo of conflict, Türkiye continues to expand its footprint through combat-proven platforms, flexible architectures, and partnerships with emerging drone manufacturers. For NATO members, regional rivals, and militaries observing from afar, Kalcon's demonstration is a glimpse into the near future. It is proof that airborne launch concepts are no longer experimental. They are becoming operational realities. We may soon see UAVs carrying multiple FPVs or sensor pods in every sortie, acting as mini arsenals capable of devastating precision strikes or providing unmatched situational awareness. This latest trial marks a significant leap in the evolution of drone warfare. By merging long-endurance UAVs with agile, low-cost attack drones, Baykar and Skydagger are shaping a battlefield where flexibility, saturation, and rapid response define air dominance. As armed forces adapt to this new era, they will face a strategic shift that challenges traditional doctrines and rewards those who embrace multi-layered unmanned ecosystems. The future of conflict is airborne, autonomous, distributed, and increasingly unmanned. And with demonstrations like this, Türkiye has made it clear that it intends not just to participate in that future, but to lead it.